So we're walking now, Coronation Park. Really another nice park here. And in the background, you can't see, but it's the CN Tower. And then we're going to walk towards Ontario Place. Okay, Mrs. Zen, what are these things called?
I don't know, we have to look them up, Mr. N. But you'll see them all over Canada.
There's actually a place in Grassy Lakes. No, is it? Around
Yes, our Grassy Lake video.
No, it wasn't Grassy Lakes. It was Canyon, the Sunning Canyon. Anyway, in Banff, or Canmore actually.
Oh yeah, Nushkish.
It's in Nishkish, that's it. Mrs. Zen, is it cold enough for you?
All of a sudden it got really, really windy.
Blowing this cold air off the lake and making our faces really cold.
I know, Botox frozen.
That's exactly what it is. Right, so we're walking on this pier and it's very smartly done. I'll show you now. It looks like a boat, but it's not really a boat.
So we're going to be going onto this big boat.
Yeah, it's just, they made it look like a boat. Very smart. Okay, I'm going to turn around and show you.
The skyline.
Skyline of Toronto. You can't get away from the tower, Mrs. Zen.
The landmark of Toronto.
Can't get lost, just follow the tower.
Oh, there's a boat. Catamaran.
my nose.
This is very invigorating, Mr. Edwin. The coldness,
Invigorating and it's cold. It's cold.
but look at my layers, I'm dressed warm.
Okay, but then I think we promised ourselves we would never video game in cold weather. We haven't stopped. Foot was on the edge. Foot was on the edge.